Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie B, LV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this ho! Hope you're having a fabulous weekend. As promised, me and Devin, together, we ride till we die. Yes, we are riding today. We're doing a collab video, yeah! We got that Coach Pride going on. We're going to unveil some Coach Pride items that we bought. I'm super excited. Look at these two guys. Look at them. How friggin' cute are Devin and Kevin. So Devin Christopher, if you don't know who I'm talking about, go over to his channel, watch this video, then hit the link below. Go and watch all of his videos, but especially today because we're doing our collab video and I definitely want to see what he bought. Also, Kevin, girl, I don't know. I just love them. Here's what I get from Kevin and Devin. I feel like on a Friday night, they snuggle up on the couch under a blanket to watch a movie. I want to be the one that like sneaks in and just, let me get in the middle of you guys. Hi. I mean, they just look cuddly and fun and sweet, and I just love them. Yeah, I want to be the one in the middle like, hi guys, give me that remote. What are we watching? Yeah. Got any popcorn? Yeah, that thing. I know they got snacks because they do snack videos all the time. Snacks around the world. If you haven't seen their videos, Devin's videos, and then sometimes Devin brings his husband on, Devin and Kevin. Love. Devin has, I just want to say this one thing and then I'll get into the video. But Devin has this thing where he'll unbox something or he'll talk about something and I've never heard of that. Of course, I'm way older than them, but I'm over here like, well, let me go. Well, there it is. Yes. Do I need that? I might need that. But, you know, I rarely get the things that he gets because I feel like I'm a little too old. But we do have Coach, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, all that stuff in common. He loves fashion with a passion. And so do I. So, and luxury goods and designer goods and all that good stuff. So, definitely watch him. We are going to get into this video, girl. So, I recognize that June is definitely Pride Month. For sure. And I get what all that is. And I stand all the way with LGBTQ plus. I'm here for you. But also during June, during Pride Month, they come out with the cutest things that they don't get all year long. So it's a whammy. It's a double win for me. I love June for many reasons. That's just one of a ton of things. But anyway, Pride Month, I'm here for it. I bought a few things. Now some of these are gifts. Now, I bought the t-shirt because, you know, last year I bought the one that had the embroidered Coach in rainbow, and love. So I was like, that's on sale at the outlet. Yeah, girl, we gonna get another one. So we did, and this one's kind of, yeah, it's making me feel some sort of way. But no, it's raised up a little bit, so the letters are kind of, they're not embroidered. It's like a print. It's like a silk screen. What do they call that? I don't know, vinyl maybe? But it's very nice and very sharp and crisp. So I love this shirt. I had to put on like a little tank top thing because, girl, she was see-through. And you know mommy don't wear a bra anymore. So I was like, no, you ain't looking at the Franken boobs today. Nobody wants to see that. Okay. I am on a quest for L slides. These just came up, what? Couple weeks ago, maybe a week ago. They do it, man. They're constantly like, we added some stuff, get over here. And I'm like, oh, you did, come on. Yeah, I'm 100% that beesh. Okay, so the slides, they are cute. They had them on, I guess the packaging on the outlet ones, they're just like hanging on a hook, like, yeah, that's what you get. You know, when you go on the actual Coach.com website, they give you a box. I'm not sure But anyhow, I didn't choose gift. You should always choose gift because you get so much better packaging. But anyway, these slides, girl, you know why? I got the red ones too, but my dumb butt, I chose an 8 and they were men's. So yeah, the red ones, those were from the Coach website, and I didn't, I'm not going to keep them. I actually have them around here somewhere, if y'all can see this room, girl. But look how cute. And I love this detail, but nobody ever sees this, and isn't this the first thing to rub off? Who is it? LV Lux Girl? Yes. She did some slides on her show the other day, on her video the other day, and she put like clear nail polish on stuff that she wanted to stay there. And I might want to do that because I love that detail. And when I wear slides, that's the first thing that rubs off is, you know, the markings. Not that anybody's going to see it but me, but I don't know. I just think that's a cute little detail. Love, love, love. I'm so glad. I loved the red, but when I saw the blue, I was like, yeah, I'm down. So I did get these slides, and I think this is my last pair of slides for the year. We're done. I've got to get on to something else and start really absorbing myself into that. I am going to DIY a pair of slides, and hopefully I'll be able to show you a video of that. I tell you guys stuff I'm going to do, and it really is. I'm going to do it. There's just so little time. Okay. Now this goes with another purchase that I got to be honest with you. I'm giving it to my daughter. As you know, my kids, I told you this last year, but my kids, maybe you don't know, all 3 of my kids have July birthdays, and my 2 girls are on the same day. So, yeah, I got a Christmas in July coming up. But look at this little pouch. How cute. Okay, so I saw this little pouch, and I got it, and I was thinking, oh, I'd really like to have a bag. Of course they have a bag. And see how it's just, I know my camera washes everything out and, you know, burns everything up, but see how it kind of looks distressed and kind of like denim looking. I don't know how to explain it, but it's kind of like a distressed look. But this is all creamy colored, right? Okay. So I thought, well, let me go on and get that tote that goes with it. Yeah, this was the big purchase that I got. It has little, can y'all see it? It's got little tiny, little bitty, I'm not going to take it out because this, like I said, I was going to send it back because I wanted a tote just with that on it and none of these little doodads. I didn't want the little flowers. But girl, there they are. So I asked my daughter if she thought this was cute, and she was like, oh my God, I love it, my older one. And I said, oh, let me bank that in my memory. She's getting this for her birthday. So yeah, it worked out. Gift, done, 1 down. So that was another one of my little purchases. Let's see. Okay, this I bought for my mother. I ended up sending her a picture of it, telling her that I got it, and she was like, it's too small, I don't want it. So, I guess I'll keep it, because it's like a phone pouch, and I'm sure you've seen it on the site, but how cute is this? It's got a little pocket back here. It's just big enough for a phone, and you know I like little tiny things. But my mom was eyeballing my, I don't have it up here right now, my MCM bag that's kind of shaped like this that I swear is the same size. But she was like, no, I want the bigger one. So I might end up having to get her an MCM bag, huh? But this one was good deal. I think this was like 60 bucks when I bought it. I mean, you go on there every day, it's some different deal. I noticed that, like, they'll send you a text like, oh, it's, you know, 10% off today. And you go on there and, you know, things are like 50 bucks and you don't grab it because you think, oh, I'll get it next week. And then next week you come back and they're 75. So, you know, I get it, retail. But I thought this was cute. Originally purchased for my mom, but she's not into it. So I don't think I want to send it back. I'm just going to gift it. Or I might keep it. I don't know. But this last item, This, where is it? Yes. She will be mine. This is the slides, the t-shirt, and this. Those are my Pride purchases this year. I didn't get a bag. So, last year I got that Rexy tote bag, and they have it back this year. I love that thing. Okay. But this, the pièce de résistance. You know, I always leave my best favorite stuff to the end. It's the radio in me, honey. Leave the best for last. But look at this thing. It's tiny, but wait. Girl, don't go anywhere. Hold up. Oh, yes. It's got a chain. You can wear it as a crossbody. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Look at this thing. How cute is this? I love. Let me take the stuff off of it. Let me get the stuff off. Dun, 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 dun. I was telling somebody earlier. I think it was Yota and Autumn. Yeah. It's somebody's birthday today, and we were talking about what can we send that person text-wise that's fun, you know. And Yota said, do something seductive. And I said, the last thing anybody thinks of when they think of Winnie is sexy or seductive. She doesn't. Nope. Okay, the damn... Shut it. Okay. Oh my God, like Fort friggin' Knox. Don't you die on me, camera. Don't you do it not today, devil. Okay. Boy, this is like a little Felici chain, really. It's actually smaller than that, I think. So cute. Think of other things you can put this on. What? This daggone cardboard. You know, Coach, they send the huge, well, I had that tote bag in there, but usually I'll get something that's like this big in a humongous, like, save the planet, Coach. Keep going. Oh, girl. It does ride a little high up on me, but what doesn't? You know what I mean? Oh, girl. I don't care that it rides a little high. I love it. I think this is so adorable. Yeah. We're putting this in the wind pile today, honey. All of that, and this is the thing. Well, it wasn't much. It was just a few things, but this is the thing that I adore the most. It's tiny. Checks the boxes for me. It's rainbow. Check. Crossbody now. Check. Did I say tiny? Yeah. Oxblood inside. Check! Oh, yeah. Who's buying a bunch of Coach right now? Raise your hand. Yeah, I need to stop. But I love it. Stop it, Coach. Dang it, the devil. Okay. Guys, go over and check out Devin's channel. Devin Christopher. I am going to link it below. And spend the day there. The rest of the day. Just watch his videos. He has such cute videos and great taste. He bought those Gucci sneakers and I was like, we gotta have those. So yeah, he's very much influenced me on some things. He just bought some sweaters that are so cute. Some little, not sweaters, little polo knit. So I can't think of the name of those. See, that's what I'm saying. He has great taste and it's stuff I've never even heard of that's really cool. Go check it out. You will love him. And say hi to Kevin. Hi, Kevin. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe for sure. Hit those two. And comment down below. I will comment back to you eventually. If it's 4 months from now. Still, I want to talk to you. And guys, listen. If y'all see my husband... Ooh, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Girl, I love a parade. I don't know what it is. I love a pride parade. Listen, call me old-fashioned, but There is nothing like it. It warms my heart and other regions to see two hot, muscly guys making out on a parade float. Listen, or a pool float, or a root beer float. I mean, any float.